She's a big girl that won them all them with stockings. No, they're not stockings. I mean, that was for trawling net. That's a trawling net. Man, that would be useful to somebody, wouldn't it? Should we take the trawling net? Or is it to put over your trees? Well, it's off a boat.
Yeah. Holes in that thing.
Well, of course it's going to have holes in it, but it's still freaking cool though, isn't it? Show me another one of these. That's wire going through all that. Look at that. They're going through it. That's huge, I bet. Let's see if I can move it.
I think it's broken down here too.
We're not taking it, but how cool to look at. The stuff you find. It's nuts. Like if I was homeless, which I may be one day because I'm an idiot. Not that all idiots are homeless. All people that are homeless are idiots, that's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is you could live on the curb. You know, you could literally just follow the curbside pickups around. Right. And just live. And I reckon in the first 6 months you'd get a car. Yeah, so you sleep in your car. And then you can go around and just cut cord. And, what's that? Transformer?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Like older. Or cheaper.
I would have just thrown it over the top. Okay. I could have shown him then. That's ours. Yeah, that's cool. Tobot.
Oh. Go.
What? Oh, drum set. I'll go forward a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amp.
Yeah.
You haven't cut the cord on that, I hope.
No.
Has it got a normal plug-in?
Yeah, it's got laser on the back.
Cool. What? What happened?
There's all the doors that fall out of the car.
How?
When I opened there.
Oh, what? Yeah, exactly. You shouldn't have opened the side door. Don't open the side door if you don't need to.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's only a doll. I think we run over a doll. Anyway, I've got to go. I'll start on straight away. Oh, sorry about that. I had to start again. Is that a... Oh, that's cool.
Yamaha.
Yeah, that's cool. We have to get that in the car.
Yeah.
How's the doll? Did it get damaged?
No, you ran over it. But
That's what I mean. It's tough.
no. Yeah.
I'm not fixing the fucking doll. So does this fold up at all?
It might. These arms go in.
Which one was it you undid then?
The two on the side.
That too?
Yeah.
Okay, there's one down here too.
And these come out.
You haven't got this to go in yet. That one's in. So what do I need to undo there? That one. Why isn't that going in?
What?
That arm. Oh, there's two of them there. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. This is a Yamaha system. This is pretty fucking gnarly. Isn't it?
Okay.
This is pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
just making a bed for it. It was caught on my pants, of course. They're gonna go in like that. It is. It's pretty cool, man. This is all the other bits to it. And this would be the score. Of the day, one would think. So what is a Yamaha what? I might just give him that one to look up in the front on his phone, eh? Well, that was just awesome. I'm just going to look up that part there. Petrol ones? Yeah, why not? We'll give them to Ivan. Just, if it hasn't got the cord, then no. Oh, let's go.
I think I'm missing a few bits.
Oh yeah, look that up. Let's get one off.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah, you know you'd see Yamaha electric trunk kit.
Yamaha's expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, look at that.
It's another rocking horse.
Yeah.
Good stop him.
It's K.
Oh, he's not.
He's ridiculous, isn't he? It's a bit damaged there, but even without the drawers, you know what I mean? Like, Scooby's looking at me like I'm retarded. Maybe I am.
Oh, there's a drum kit for, because if you just look that up, it comes up with that single part.
Yeah, how much is that?
Like, well, there's one for $19 used.
Yeah,
There's
oh yeah.
$5.50, but there's like other drum kits for like $400.
Yeah, that's great. Let's take these. Yeah. I wanted you to grab them actually because I can't open and do this at the same time. But that's okay. They go on the back here.
Yeah.
Just, oh fuck's sake. No, I don't want to drop them in. I was going to use this. That's why I'm opened it. Because I want it to go bang. I don't want to do that. You might. I'm not taking the cane. We've got to go back that way. That's all no-through roads down there. This is no-through here. So yeah, man, I mean, I reckon personally, that Yamaha pays for it, plus an amp. When I first saw it, you know, I thought it was.
What?
The game, just the cheap game.
Yeah, like
PlayStation, yeah.
Guitar Hero.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, and then you were getting all excited about something else. Did you not see the yamp at first? Because I'm like, yeah, don't cut the cord on that. Or somebody cut the
no,
cord.
I think I saw the drum thing instead.
Yeah. Hasn't been out long then because I see cords cutting shit there. Geez, they're nice too. Look at this. This is lovely too. This is probably Taminga or IJF furniture. You know, that sort of style is what's back in now. We're not taking it. Scooby's like. But I mean, that's money. That's money right there. Yeah, man, it's definitely got better as we got near the money. Schools and that, you know. Yeah, and then it's later in the day. Yesterday was really rainy and shitty, and I thought to myself, there'll be more piles going out today because, I mean, look at that. That's 2 leather recliners. Oh, they're stuffed. Oh, it's good. Everything's great. But you know what? I was only thinking to myself, I think I want to be a drummer this week. You know what I mean? Like, and
no, you.
because I like hitting things with sticks.
No, you can be one.
I am. I'm going to be a drummer this week. I've made a decision. So which actually no, we're going down these ones. Yeah. Do you know what you're doing? Yeah. I'm excited to know me. What are they?
Put pants on it.
Do you want to look?
Do we need speakers?
What? No, fuck, dude. Drive. Do you want to drive? I can't just fuck. The cords cut? What are they?
Yeah, they're caught on the back. That one's fine.
Yeah, no, leave them. So they might have taken the stereo from it. See how they're cutting off the cords off of the barbecues?
Yeah.
Because they got the, there's a telescope there.
Cheap.
Yeah, it's not a good one. Oh, I'm old and fat. Shit, looks like one of these roads I might struggle to turn around down here. Yeah, here's what it is. Oh, maybe not. Shit. Yep, it's going to be a hassle to turn around. I'm going to start here and then come up there. How's that? Is that good?
Yeah. Yeah. It's good.
Oh, about you, but I'm pretty impressed with that. This is Thomas Tank. Toy. Should we get that? It's because you don't like children.
It's a garden thing.
Hey, bye. We'll see you on the next thing. How cool's the drum set? How cool's the drum set?
Pretty cool.
I'm now a drummer. Bye.